So it's very nice. And I'm kind of speechless in terms of receiving this award for a few reasons, but I'll only name just a couple. And one, it's because out of the awards that I have received, this is the first award that I've gotten from an organization of color. And that actually, and because of that, it means so much to me, because it's recognition by my peers that I've done worthwhile work for the North Shore of Staten Island. So I'd like to thank the Staten Island Urban Center and Kelly Villar for this lovely, lovely award. Initially, before we actually became the Conservancy, we were North Shore Waterfront Coalition, and we were a group of civic association leaders, as well as concerned individuals that lived along the North Shore that did not like the direction that we were going in terms of what our government was doing in bringing in more noxious and toxic businesses onto the North Shore. What we wanted was access to the waterfront. So our initial goal was to have access for residents of the North Shore to their waterfront. That's what started us. Just something that simple. We just wanted access to the waterfront. A change in mindset. People have got to start thinking differently about themselves in relationship to the environment that they're in. And they have to start looking at what other places have done in terms of changing their environment to make it a cleaner, safer, healthier place. But that's what has to change, is the mindset of the people on Staten Island, and in particular on the North Shore. You can't just stay in your house and hope that it won't happen to you. You know, you have to get involved. Educate yourself. Educate yourself. When I first started doing this work, the internet was relatively new in our communities. And a lot of the things that I learned, I had to actually go to the libraries and to the county clerk's office. And I had to read what government, various things that the government had issued in terms of environmental justice areas and about contamination and everything. There wasn't anything that was readily accessible, like literally at your fingertips. I had to do research. And that type of situation does not necessarily exist anymore. You can go onto a computer and just type in environmental justice or climate change, and all kinds of information just pops up on the screen. And all you need to do is read. It's literally at your fingertips. You don't have to do as much hardcore searching for information as I had to do some 20 years ago when I first got started doing it.